6, here comes the 4 to the 7 to the 4. Everybody parry on the gym floor. Baby girl wrist jiggle like she wanna score. Like she an Olympian, I ain't even on tour. Maybe cause she heard that I fence our core. Maybe cause she heard that I own the gym floor. Coupe Aramise foils what we call a sword. Use lots of other French words like super jour.
Don't use parry 3 or the 2 or the 1. Ref, there's a yellow card, I ain't got none. When it comes to foil, we do this for fun. You'll be covered in bruises when we're done. Hot in our jackets like we're out in the sun. I beat then you beat, that's called a conversation. Your feint is foiled again, sorry for the pun. I see you about to step and that's when I lunge.
Everybody in the gym is fencing. 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 2, here comes the 3 to the 4 to the 5. Your mask blocks your face so I can't see your eyes. When I try again, it's remise, not remise. You're blocking low, so I try real high. Yellow card if you turn around or hide. You're no good, well that's alright. I wonder if a medal comes with first prize. If not, no worries, I ain't even gonna cry.
Here comes parry 4, circle 6 to 8. It'll hurt when I hit, better wear a chest plate. You're heavy on your feet, but my footwork's great. You see my attack coming, but I disengage. You hit me in the arm, this is for not pay. Can you're off target, better practice how to aim. We hit at the same time, but I had right away. You say it was luck, I say it was fate.
Everybody in the gym is fencing. 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 3, here comes the 4, disengage the 6. Self-explanatory, through some parries in the mix. This single bout, I ain't trying to get hit. Fencer try to hit me, thinks he's slick. Pushing you back to the edge of the strip. Brush it all off, now I'm about to win it. I'm gonna be the winner of this tournament. Now we on the sideline, staring at my tricks. 5 to the 4 to the 3. Hands in the air if you fence good as me. Hands down on the best, agrees the referee. Dude, I know I'm the next to degree.